Tuesday, which means it's our Tuesday tips and tutorials of the week. My name is Emmanuel Osiseri, your online personal trainer and wellness coach. And today I want to talk about what it takes to get back into the gym after taking time off. So this is something that I encounter with a lot of people. They had the routine going, and then all of a sudden they fell off and want to get back. And when you fall off, it gets really hard to get back. But lucky for you, I got these 3 tips. Tip number 1, when you fall off from the gym, the first thing you want to do is reassess and reevaluate your goals. That is, remind yourself why you wanted to start, all right? The second thing that you can do is recognize what caused you to fall off from the gym, your regular exercise routine in the first place. Life happens and sometimes priorities get mixed up and shuffled, and so this time around you want to make sure that you're recognizing what caused you to fall off your routine in the first place, and then make sure that you're reprioritizing your own health and fitness along your busy schedule. The third thing that you can do when you're falling off, and this is a reoccurring theme with almost all of my videos, is to start off small. When you start off small, what you're doing is you're building what's called momentum, or exercise momentum, and that's going to allow you to get into the flow of things, get your juices flowing, and then from there you can kind of build upon little victories and then increase your duration and how many times you go to the gym throughout the week, and everything kind of takes care of itself. So these are the 3 tips that I have for you to bounce back into your regular exercise routine. As usual, I had a blast making these videos for you. Don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment, tap that subscribe button. Good luck in your fitness journey. Get back in the game, and let's do this again sometime.